Now that we've added the media carousel snippet, we can include it where we want it to go. For this example, we're going to add it to the collections page right here. So we'll go back to the theme code editor and look for the collections page. That seems to be here. When we know where we want to add it, we can go back to the article and copy in the tag that will allow us to include the carousel. So that's that one right here. Copy that here. So the name of the snippet file is a placeholder. So we need to replace that with the actual file name we used, which we can find here where we added earlier, or we can go back and get it in the article here. We'll replace that here and then click save. And after we've done this, we can go back and preview the page again. And there we have the media carousel.